Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Wahl stainless steel lithium-ion beard trimmer for men, hair clippers, shavers, nose ear trimmers, rechargeable all-in-one men's grooming kit, model 9818. If you're looking for a premium product with good results, look into the Wahl trimmer. It seems companies in this market are content offering subpar products at a relatively high price point. The result is bear's hair always falling out of the trimmer into your toiletries bag. Cheap attachments. The trimmer feels so heavy and solid, and then the attachments feel like they were borrowed from Wahl's most basic 15 trimmer. This trimmer does not shoot the trimming all over, but rather lets them fall easily into the sink. Today when it came off, it came apart as one of the junky plastic parts that holds the spring that keeps the blades together broke. This razor performed fine, but the design they have for the charger to plug into the back of the razor is terrifically flawed. There is so much potential for this device that without the flaws that make the device inconvenient, it would be the perfect device. There is a light that indicates that the device is charging that goes out when it is charged. That connected takes a little fiddling to make the light stay on until it is charged. The small shaver head works okay, but could be a little stronger offered on another model. However, after receiving it in the mail, the power light stopped working while it was charging, which prompted me to take advantage of the manufacturer's warranty and get a new one. Pros: blades feel like they'll last a lifetime, good feel in the hand, battery lasts forever. Cons: flimsy plastic clip-on guide is what they mean by multi-groomer, no detailed grooming head. Changing heads is not difficult, but inconvenient. Note that Al-Anon does not mean one piece. The docs say it can be purchased separately, but really is essential from the get-go. The first two blew out their bearings, and this third one stopped taking a charge after about the third charge. Holds a charge forever, and really feels like a quality product in the hand with its stainless steel handle. While it feels like a nice item, and has good design, it pulls snag stairs every time. The head has a good angle on it that makes it easy to get around all the curves in the face. The product is held well. The trimmer does an amazing job getting through thick body hair with the attachments. The price is right, and is nice to put in a travel bag, do your own grooming, and save. None of them have worked for more than a month, and this seems to be the worst one yet. Unless you have a pretty long, brawny beard, this isn't going to work for you. Really only good if you want a very close shave without any clippers, or if you have an already medium-long beard you want to maintain. By March 2015, the battery seems to have become completely incapable of taking or holding a charge. The little container of oil that came with this clipper lasted longer than the clipper. Tried everything from $99 to $499, and this Wahl is the best, most affordable, and best bang for your buck. Without a doubt. They do the job they were meant to do. From trimming beards, and sideburns to ears, and noses, and eyebrows. Now, the charger port is screwed up, and it doesn't want to take a charge. Piece of junk. Had the on and off problem, and now it won't charge or turn on at all. And to top it off, the motor in this groomer seemed to run more slowly than the motor in the 9,854,600. What makes it garbage is the fact that the on-off button has decided to get stuck in on mode, and there's nothing to do about it. Got this trimmer about 4 months ago to replace a cheap Walmart-bought Remington trimmer 15 and 10 years old. Battery was going bad. It is very heavy for its size, pulls the hair instead of smoothly cutting it, and is overall a bad tool. Compared to older Wahl clippers, this does an incredibly poor job of doing the one thing it's supposed to, clipping hair. Had to disassemble it with brute force, no way to reassemble to get it to turn off while in a hotel room. Order the same model to replace, and the power plug on the bottom of the unit broke within 1 week. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.